Welcome to the Cobot lesson on confirming the payload and enabling your Teach Pendant. Anytime you turn on the Cobot, you will be required to confirm the payload. This is a necessary safety procedure so that the Cobot can correctly detect external forces. The first screen to appear is the payload confirmation screen. It will state, "Need to confirm payload. Actual payload is number 1. Press Yes." The next screen requires you to confirm that nothing is making contact with the Cobot. Once confirmed, press OK. Press OK again to accept the confirmation. When turning on your Cobot, you will notice that the light on the arm is red and you will have a fault on your screen. To begin programming, you must enable the Teach tablet and clear all the faults. To begin programming or welding with your Cobot, you must enable your Teach Pendant. Now select the icon at the top right corner of your screen to enable your Teach Pendant. Clear any faults that may appear by selecting Reset. Thank you. Be sure to check out our library of videos for more tips and troubleshooting information related to your Lincoln Electric Cobot.